Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to demo going to review this charger. So it's a AA battery charger. As you can see, it takes two battery and it gives a 5 volt. So you must be wondering that how it is possible, because these batteries have 1.2 voltage. It has a chip which boosts the voltage, and by doing that it consumes some of the energy of the cell, but it actually works. I try to charge my phone and it's around my phone battery is like 3000 mAh something, and it is able to give me 10%. So inside this I have used two 2800 mAh batteries, but I don't think it gives me even 5000 mAh capacity. So I think because of the voltage loss I'm not able to have that much capacity, but it actually worked. So in emergency cases you can have Duracells inside it and bought from the market and use it to charge your things. And I have it's very useful when you want to use it for Bluetooth charging and some small devices which have very less capacity, something like which needs 500 mAh of the current. So I try to use it with my Eco Auto. I'm able to get almost 500 5 hours at least with that. So it's kind of nice to have it. It also have very small torch, which is I think not useful at all, but it serves the purpose. It has like a switch on off. So I will show it after I do a close-up video. So it has a torch switch off and USB switch. So USB will going to use it with this battery to charge. So it's very handy, and weight it's not light, so it's more than 85 gram I think, and because of the heavy battery. So maybe if you go with 2100 mAh you might get 70 gram or 75 gram. So I have made another video which is using 18650 battery, single battery, and it also give you almost the same output with this, but with only 62 gram. So that's the lightest power bank you can have, and that's really portable, because these kinds of batteries are very normal to buy from the stores, as compared to the 18650, which needs some ordering from big shopping sites. So that is that thing. So I will give you the detail how much charge capacity it will going to give. So that's how it looks. I bought it from AliExpress like last year I think, and it cost me around 250 rupees I think, and I'm not able to find it anywhere in Indian sites. So if you want to buy it, you need to get it ordered from China, and if they are allowing it to do it, because right now it's not. So that's it. That's all. If you have any comment regarding this product, please comment below. I will try to answer them as soon as possible. Thank you very much. Bye. So that is how it looks like. As you can see, it's using two AA batteries, and here you will find switch. So this is off, this one is for light, and another one for using USB power. And inside that you can see I have used 2800 mAh battery, but I didn't get that much output. But still, if you use rechargeable battery, you should be able to use it with ESP32 and with this very cute devices which draw current around 500 mAh or less than that. So it's pretty nice. You can also use it with USB lamps as well. And if I take out the battery, so that's the interior of this, and it will also show the plus and minus of the direction of the battery. Let's see how much this weigh. So as you can see, it's 77. So previously we have this around 60 gram, and this is 78 grams now. So this is AA battery powered power bank, so it contains like two battery like I show you before. So as you can see, I have connected this to my LG phone, which is a type C, and it's drawing around 4300, so you can say that 430 mAh current is using. So it's definitely not a quick charge type of thing, but for emergency purpose I think that should do. It will be really slow. I think it's it's giving the same power as our computer USB ports gives us. So for small devices it's good, but for mobile charging I'm not sure. So this is the highest capacity it can give, I think. So it's not even going more than 500, and it's keep dropping. So I think my battery is getting drained, but I'm able to use it with Eco Auto just fine for I think at least 5 to 6 hours. So it's do work, but I think it's also discharge. So if you have any comments regarding this, and if you wants to know something more about it, please comment below. And if you like the video, please subscribe for many more videos to come. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Bye.